We are trying to figure out if the line that contains these points is negative. So clue 1 only tells you about m and n. It tells you that m is positive and m is the x part. That's positive and that's negative. And so that doesn't work because it just tells you about mn. And then clue 2 doesn't work either because it only tells you about the order pair rs, r being the x coordinate, and it's negative and positive. R is less than 0, s is greater than 0. So neither one of those worked independently. Let's put them both together, and that's going to work because if you look at goes over positive and down negative, you're somewhere in here. That's for mn. And then rs, you go over negative but up positive, negative, positive. You're over here, so that line has a negative slope. So the answer is C.